The Vulcan Endurance sets a new standard in durability and performance in the restaurant range category. The range itself has a Mig Welded Frame. This is more typical of a heavy-duty type range, but not typically found in our competitors in the restaurant range category. The grates on the surface area are very heavy, large cast grates with a deeper grate in the back to accommodate a larger pot. We have a large front plating ledge, and the grates line up so you can slide all your pots off the heated surface to the front plating ledge and do all your plating during your operation. The oven is a 35,000 BTU oven on our 36-inch cavities. It is the largest oven you're going to find in that class. And the oven comes standard with 2 oven racks because you can actually bake on both racks at the same time and get a good quality bake because of the unique way we bring the heat into the oven cavity. The Endurance oven liners have perforations in there, which we call our accelerator airflow technology. And what it does is it eliminates the typical hot and cold spots that you find inside an oven to give you a more even distribution of heat so you can get that good quality bake. In our 36-inch modules, the oven control is separated on the side in what we call a cool zone. Most of our competitors' ranges have their oven control up top where the burner knobs are. That is a high heat zone, especially when you have a solid top above those controls, trapping heat below a griddle. The open top burners on the Endurance range are 30,000 BTU, so there's a 2-piece lift-off burner for ease of cleaning. This burner will give you very rapid boil times, has a great distribution of heat for saute, and also has a great turn-down ratio to allow you to do some simmering of large stocks and sauces. A typical range has a standing pilot for every open-top burner. What we've done with this range is we use a flash tube pilot system. So we have 1 pilot for every 2 open-top burners, and they are midpoint underneath the cast grates. Because they are protected underneath the cast grates, they are not going to extinguish with a boil over during the cooking process. More importantly, they're not going to get clogged up with grease or other food particles during high volume operations. Since we have 3 pilots on a 6-burner range instead of 6, this customer can see $270 per year in energy savings just during the idle operation of this range. The Vulcan Endurance continues to deliver the durability, performance, flexibility that our customers are looking for in the industry today.